Hi everyone. We're going to decide which two rates would yield a larger amount in 1 year. We're going to use our formula A equals our principal, the amount equals our principal times 1 plus our rate of interest over the N, which is number of times per year, times the time. And in our case, this is 1 year. So A is your new amount. P is your beginning amount. R is your rate of interest in decimal form. And T is your time. And N is the number of times per year. So N equals 365 if it's daily. Quarterly, N would be 4. Monthly, N would equal 12 because there's 12 months in a year. Annually, N equals 1. And semi-annually, N equals 2 because that's twice a year. Alright, so we want to know which is the two rates is going to yield the better. The 6% compounded quarterly or 6.25% annually. So what we're going to do is just use, we can use any amount, and I'm going to use this hint, which was given to me. I'm just going to use, try 10,000. You could try 1,000, 100, 10,000, 100,000. Let's just use 10,000. And then for both of them, and then see which yields the higher, larger amount. So for here we have the 6%, we get A equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.06 over 4. Let's see. This is your 6% one, and that's 4 times 1, because we're talking about annually, so just one time. And this equals 10,613.64. Now the second one, which is this one, we're going to do A equals 10,000 times 1 plus, and this is just annually, so my N is 1. So it's just going to be 0.0625 to the first power, and this gives you 10,625. So the second one is higher, so this one yields the higher amount. Okay, the next one, we want to know 9% compounded quarterly. This will be the first one. And the second one is 9.25% compounded annually. And so let's do the first one, this one. So we have A, and we're going to use 10,000 again. You can use 1,000 if you want, just to compare them. 9% over 4, because it's quarterly, and then 4 times 1, and this is approximately 10,930.83. And the second one, I'm going to use A equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.0925 because it's annual, so I don't have to divide to the first power, which equals 10,925. And so our winner is the first one. This is larger. Okay, the next one, 9% compounded monthly, or 8.8% compounded daily. Compounded daily sounds like a good deal, doesn't it? Let's see which one wins. So let's do the first one. We have A times equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.09 over 4. Wait, where am I? Compounded monthly, so this would be over 12. And this would be 12 times 1. And this gives you 10,938.07. And then for the second one, compounded daily, this gives us A equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.088 over 365 to the 365 power, and that gives us 10,919.77. I thought this one might win, but the first one won. 9% compounded monthly yields the larger amount. And the last one, we have 8% compounded semi-annually, or 7.9% compounded daily. Since these are really close, I'm going to pick the second one as my guess. So let's check it out. We have A equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.08 for in decimal form. Semi-annually means divide by 2. So it would be 2 times 1, which gives us 10,816. And the second one, this one, we have A equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.079 over 365 times 365, and that gives us 10,821.95. So this one's a little bit higher, and that one wins. All right. The next set we're going to do is let's see. It's called doubling your investment. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.